Welcome and welcome back everyone. If you have not seen me before or you didn't get a chance to come across this channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Pooja and I make DIY home decor videos. I absolutely love art and crafts. I make videos about that and I usually get inspired from some high-end decor websites or probably their stores, and I get inspiration from their objects and probably their home decor style, and I try to create my own ideas from that. If you like to watch those type of videos, you will absolutely enjoy the videos that I posted on my channel. Apart from watching this long video, you will also receive my short videos, 30 seconds or 1 minute videos in your feed, because I also make YouTube shorts, Instagram, TikTok every day. So you will definitely have your everyday dose from me. Today's video is about Christmas decor. Well, I was planning to show you some 20 ornaments altogether, but I think I had to work on that. All of them need different supplies and I do not have everything. So I tried to create 7 or 8 out of that, something that I already had, and they turned out amazing. I was going to Pottery Band, Western and Anthropology website, and I could actually figure out a few ornaments that I can simply just recreate on my own. There are 52 ornaments that I can create altogether from Pottery Band, Western and Anthropology website, and they all are absolutely amazing. So this is just the first part. I'm creating probably 25 or 30 more ornaments, so I can show you in other videos. These are some of them that I tried to recreate on my own, and some of them include some high-end decor as well. So those type of ornaments I have created in today's video. I hope you will enjoy today's video, and let me get started. If you follow me on TikTok or Instagram or on YouTube Shorts, you probably came across this video. So this is the ornament that I tried to create from the acrylic paint. I had 3 acrylic paint. One was super dark green, other one was mint green, and third one was pure white. I also got this transparent blank ornament from dollar store. If you want good quality ornament, you can also get from Michael's as well. To get started, I poured darkest green acrylic paint into the ornament. I tried to shake my ornament really well. For some reason, the paint was super thick, so it wasn't really working just the way I expected. On my TikTok, I received a lot more comments about how to use tools to spread this color in the ornaments. You can just blow the air inside, and maybe you can just dilute the paint with alcohol and then we'll do the job. Well, it was all after I made this, so I will try that next time. So for my second step, I added white color, and instead of shaking this, I just tried to force to spread color by tapping onto my hand. And on the remaining gaps, I added mint green color, so that can also contribute to the green shade and also to the white shade. And I let that shake really well, I let that swirl really well, and I'm glad I did that. The reason is because it wasn't showing swirl effect. It was showing ombre effect on some portions. Well, yes, this is classic me. I dropped some paint onto my hand. Somehow I was able to manage put it back into the ornament, but at the end the ornament was looking absolutely fantastic. It wasn't really a swirl effect. It was here and there ombre effect, and there are some other ways that I could have made it, but I think I'm very glad with the ornament, the way ornament turned out. So yeah, that was my first ornament, and we have 4 more to go. Do you remember there's one standard ornament which is like a globe, snow globe ornament that we all have seen everywhere? This is pretty similar to that. Instead of putting snow, we'll be putting silver foil inside. Both products that you can see on screen, I got it from Dollarama. Amazing purchase was this foil. This is good at price point, and it comes in 2 or 3 colors, silver and gold for sure. I'm not really sure about it comes in a copper color, but it's amazing at price point. So I grabbed them, and I also had this blank ornament from dollar store. I used 3 foils in total. So for the first foil, I did not crush it really well. I just put it inside my globe and I realized I should have crushed it really well. So for second one, I did something like this, but that's also a problem because when it's completely smashed, completely crushed like this, it's hard to put it inside. It's a bit of a work, but you can get done with this DIY in less than 10 to 15 minutes. And it would be wonderful if you can use gold foil. I ran out of gold foil, so I had to use silver, and I also wanted to make something silver and more on a blue undertone. So this was the best something that I could make, but you can also go for gold and really nice, good quality blank ornament that will look even better, or bigger ornament that will look stunning. So this was my second DIY that I made. For third ornament, I did not even know I was trying to create a pottery dupe. I was just trying to create a Mercury kind of an ornament. Somehow it turned out to be a pottery dupe. Let me show you how I made it. I put some water into the blank ornament and I took it out after shaking well. So some of the water was still inside the ornament and some I could take out most of it. So when I put spray paint inside, it doesn't stick to all over it and can just create a nice Mercury effect. I made a mistake. I was not supposed to put water at first. I was supposed to spray paint before and then I was supposed to put water on top of that. So this is the mistake that I made and I repeated the same thing for a couple times. I thought it's not working, so I kept putting on more spray, but somehow I was making it worse. So I kept it upside down so all the spray paint can come out and I can try on that again. And while I was taking out all the paint and water, somehow it created lines that was exactly as a pottery barn ornament. I did not even know that. I was researching for some other ornaments and I came across it. I'm like, yeah, I made it before. And then, yeah, that was it. I created a pottery barn dupe mistakenly. But yeah, this is how you can use it. If you want a mercury glass effect, you can put the water later. If you want it like that, you can put water before spraying the paint. For our fourth ornament, I had a lot of gold ornaments which I was going to use for this DIY. For this DIY, I'm making a mercury glass in Rio. I'm trying to make a vintage kind of an ornament. So for that, I took out some black spray paint into my palette. And I took one shiny gold ornament to make it look like a vintage. I had my cotton pad which I started to rub on top of my gold ornament. It was instantly reducing the shine of gold ornament. I could have just used matte spray paint and then put on black spray paint. Somehow this was working even better for me. Once the shine was removed, I started to tap with black color to give some patches like a vintage ornament. I did not need rub and buff. The reason because my my ornament was already gold, so wasn't needed. But once I tapped it with black paint, I think it was perfectly fine after 2 or 3 layers of it. So this is the last layer that I'm working on and was turned out amazing. So for this last ornament, we are trying to create a concrete ornament with some hint of colors. So to get started, I had so many ornaments that I picked from Valley Village. And for that, I'm going to be picking 3. Each one of them will have different color. One will have green, another one will have red, and I think the last one will have darkest possible green that I used in my first ornament. I painted them nicely with my sponge brush.
And these ornaments I got from Value Village for about $6 for 30 of them. So it was an amazing deal that I got at Value Village. It was looking amazing, even plainly colored like this, but somehow I had an idea to make a concrete ornament out of this. So once I had it all painted, I gathered my concrete colors into the palette. It was black, white, and a bit of a brown color. I did not mix them. Mixing would probably just not make the right shade for them. I really wanted patches on my ornament. So I started giving patches to my ornaments on top of the actual color that I painted them with. And that created a concrete effect. And it was giving different effects on different ornament because the color underneath that was different. So it was looking completely different on light green, dark green, and red. The most that I liked is this one, the last one that I'm working on. That's the one that I really liked because my hands was on it when I tried to make a concrete print. So yeah, this was the 5th ornament that I made.
I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on that, because that will help me to create my own community. So once again, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.